forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss more problem on quadratic formula. Number 1. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Let present age of Rahman be X years. Therefore, age of Rahman three years ago मीन्स 3 साल पहले. अभी एज एक 3 साल बाद पहले क्या होगी? x माइनस 3 ईयर्स. एंड एज ऑफ रहमान आफ्टर 5 ईयर्स. is equal to x plus 5 years according to problem. The sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's ages in 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. So 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 5 equal to 1 upon 3. Now simplify, taking LCM in left hand side. X minus 3 into x plus 5. Both numbers are different, so just cross multiply. 1 into this x plus 5 and x minus 3 into 1 is equal to 1 upon 3. More simplify, x for x 2x, 5 minus 3 2 upon product of these two, x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 1 upon 3. More simplify, 2x plus 2 upon x square 5x minus 3x 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 upon. Next step, this into this, so x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 into 2x 6x plus 3 into 2 6. Rearrange, x square minus 4x 2x minus 6x minus 4x minus 15 minus 6 minus 21 equal to 0. On comparing with quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. So we get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 21. Now apply quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now substitute all the values. Minus b minus 4 plus minus 4 whole square. B square means minus 4 whole square. Minus 4 ac. A is 1 and c is minus 21. So write in bracket upon 2 into a, this 2 into 1. Simplify, 4 plus minus 16 plus minus into minus plus 21 4 जा 84 upon 2. More simplify. 4 plus minus 16 or 84 100 and square root of 110. Now taking plus sign. So x equal to 4 plus 10 upon 2 is equal to 14 upon 2 7. Now taking minus sign. So x equal to 4 minus 10 upon 2 is equal to minus 6 upon 2 minus 3. We all know age of any person is always positive. We can't say minus 3 years. So this is rejected. So correct answer is x equal to 7 years. So therefore age of Brahman is equal to 7 years. Next problem. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. So let marks of Shefali in mathematics is equal to x and marks of Shefali in English is equal to 30 minus x, because sum of marks of mathematics and English is 30. So this plus this x or x cancel, total is 30. So one subject x, then other subject 30 minus x. Now write according to problem. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics, means x plus 10, sorry, x plus 2, and 3 marks less in English, means 30 minus x minus 3. The product of their marks, then product of their marks is equal to 210. Simplify. X plus 2, 30 minus 3, 27 minus x equal to 210. X into 27, 27x, x into minus x square, 2 into 27, 54, 2 into minus x, minus 2x equal to 210. Minus x square, 27 minus 2, 25x, 54 minus 210. So 210 minus 50, 160 minus 4, 156. So minus 156 equal to 0. Multiply through by minus sign. So x square minus 25x plus 156 equal to 0. We can solve such a quadratic equation by any method in exam. By quadratic formula, splitting middle term, completing the square. Now we take splitting the middle term this time. Tell me 2 numbers whose sum is minus 25 and product is 156. 12 into 13 minus 12x minus 13x plus 156 equal to 0. Sum equal to 25 and 12 into 13, 156. Taking common, x common, so x minus 12 minus 13 common, so x minus 12 equal to 0. x minus 12 common, so we get x minus 13 equal to 0. Next steps, product of two number equal to 0, so each number equal to 0, x minus 12 equal to 0 or x minus 13 equal to 0. So we get x equal to 12 or x equal to 13. Case first, x equal to 12 means marks in mathematics, marks in maths is equal to 12. Then marks in English is equal to, total is 30 minus x, so 30 minus 12, 18. Case second, x equal to 13, therefore marks in maths is equal to 13 and marks in English is equal to 30 minus 13, 70. Next problem. The diagonal of a rectangle field is 60 meters more than the shorter side if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. Find the sides of the field. So first draw rectangle for understanding. This is shorter side, this is longer side, and this is diagonal. Let shorter side be x meter. Then according to problem, diagonal of a rectangle field is 60 meters more than the shorter side, which diagonal is x plus 60 meter. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, means x plus 30 meter. So let shorter side, let the length of shorter side is equal to x meter. Therefore, length of longer side is equal to x plus 30 meter and length of diagonal is equal to x plus 60 meter. अब this is rectangle. In rectangle, each angle is 90 degree. It means this is right angle triangle. Please give the name. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Then ABC is a right angle triangle. Therefore, in right angle triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square, x plus 30 whole square plus BC square means x square equal to AC square, x plus 60 whole square. अब now simplify. X square plus B square, A square plus B square means 900 plus 2AB 60x plus x square as it is equal to x square plus 60 square means 3600 plus 120x. Next step, x square and x square cancel. x square. अब 60x minus 120x, so minus 60x, 900 minus 3600 minus 2700 is equal to 0. After this again we can solve this quadratic equation by splitting middle term, quadratic formula, completing the square. So take easier method. We can solve by splitting middle term. Tell me two numbers whose sum is 60 minus 60 and product is minus 2700. So x square minus 90x plus 30x. 9 3 is 27 and minus 90 plus 30 minus 60. Minus 2700 is equal to 0. Now taking common, x common, so we get x minus 90 plus 30 common, so we get x minus 90. Next step, x minus 90 common, so we get x plus 30 equal to 0. Product of two number equal to 0 means each number equal to 0. X minus 90 equal to 0 or x plus 30 equal to 0. So x equal to 90 or x equal to minus 30, because x is length and length cannot be negative, so this is rejected. So length of shorter side equal to, therefore length of shorter side equal to 90 meter, length of diagonal is equal to x plus 60, means 90 plus 60, 150 meter, and length of longer side is equal to x plus 30, means 90 plus 30, 120. In next lecture we can do more questions based on quadratic equations, splitting middle term, completing the square. Thank you. Have a nice day.